Welcome back, my friends, to another job lead video. This is Lindsay bringing you more data entry job leads. That is what you have said you are the most interested in. And so I have been searching and I've come across 5 companies hiring currently in 2022 for data entry positions. Now, for my international viewers, unfortunately, all of these positions are US based only, but no fear, I am currently researching and working on a video that includes international job leads, so stay tuned, that is coming soon. In the meantime, if you look in the description box below, I have created a playlist with all the videos that I have made in the recent past that include jobs that hire from countries outside of the United States, so feel free to check that out. So first up, we have the company UltiPro, and they are hiring for a remote full-time data entry representative. And so this is they are hiring for Envision Radiology, and so they're looking for full-time data entry representative to join their team. It is open to select states only, and they are right here in the top of this. This will be linked in the description box below as far as all the links to all of these. Please let me know in the comments down below. I come across a lot of job leads that are for select states only, and a lot of times because it does not apply to the entire United States, I choose not to share them. However, between all of these states, I'm sure I have a lot of viewers, so I think that I should share them if it would help at least someone. So let me know what you feel in the comments below. Should I not share them if they are only for select states, or should I continue to share them because it will help somebody? But with that said, Envision Radiology is passionate about improving lives through unmistakable quality and spectacular service in the community that they serve. And in 2019, they were named Colorado Springs' top 3 most desirable places to work and live. And so they are looking for a data entry representative to perform all tasks in the data entry processing under the direction of centralized services supervisor. The key functions for this role are enter, update, and verify patient referral data into various systems for use by all personnel. Review and verify data entered into the database to ensure accuracy. Process all faxes in a timely and efficient manner. Confirm that the medical scripts and referral documentation have the correct procedures listed on them. You need to effectively communicate with center employees in additional information is needed to process the request, and any other duties as assigned. So they want someone who has communication proficiency, technical capacity, organizational and time management skills, and is very thorough. And it says that this position has no supervisor responsibilities. You are only responsible for yourself. As far as qualifications go, they would like 1 year of experience in customer service or data entry. Healthcare experience is preferred but not required. You need to have proficient speed and accuracy with typing and data entry, be detail-oriented, self-motivated, and a problem solver, as well as a team player. Have the ability to navigate multiple computer screens quickly, have the ability to excel in a fast-paced environment, and have strong communication skills and a professional demeanor. So they have a minimum requirement of a high school diploma or equivalent GED, but no college degree is required, but continuing education is always preferred. So this position, the pay ranges from $13.80 an hour to $16.60 an hour, and they do offer health and medical benefits with paid time off and an employee assistance program. Next up, we have ABC Insurance and Financial Services hiring for a remote data entry specialist. Now, ABC Insurance has been in business since 1998. And so a little bit about the position duties and responsibilities. You will be creating production-ready files for contractor and electrical orders. You will assist production staff in procedures for files in order to meet customer specifications. You'll coordinate with order entry and sales to ensure files are created in the specified time frame. You'll identify discrepancies in packing lists and actual orders and any other duties that are assigned. assigned. So as far as the requirements go, a high school degree or equivalent is required. No college degree is required, but a 2-year associate's degree is preferred. Computer proficient, and you must have average knowledge of, again, Microsoft Office and Excel. Please make sure that you are experienced in Microsoft Office and Excel. Take classes if needed. This is a requirement on almost every work from home job lead that I have come across. Advanced understanding of production ready files, and you must be able to read, analyze, and interpret technical information and have the ability to effectively present information and respond to questions from production, pre-production, or sales teams. So this does provide benefits. They have paid training, so you will be paid for all your training. They offer medical, dental, and vision benefits. They have wellness programs, employee discount programs, and also career advancement and development opportunities. So this is a company you can get in with and grow with. Next up, we have the company Respite IT hiring a data entry operator. And so it says they are looking for a skilled data entry clerk who will be tasked with input of paper-based information into their digital system. The company will rely on you for having accurate and updated data that's easily accessible through their digital database. And so they are looking for someone who is a fast typist and has an eye for detail. So your responsibilities would be to type data directly from the customers into the system. The customers will provide the data on a form. You will move data from paper formats into computer files and database systems using keyboards, data recorders, or optical scanners. You will prepare spreadsheets with large numbers. You'll perform verification of data, review and update existing data, collecting data from databases or electronic files, organizing system backups, and managing paperwork. So some requirements for this position are that you have 2 or more years of experience working on a data entry clerk position. You have good practical experience with, again, Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, good knowledge of office equipment or computer hardware. You need basic knowledge of touch typing systems or database management tools, fast typing skills and attention to detail, and good English written and customer service communication skills. And this does require a high school degree or GED, but does not require a college degree. This next position is from Intex Solutions, and it is a temporary 12-month contract that is remote work from home for a data entry specialist. Of course, the required skills should be detail-oriented and able to multitask and have the ability to retain training on multiple projects. Their preferred skills are that you have data entry experience. You have to provide your own computer equipment with this one, and they require you to have dual 2 monitors. They want you to have Windows 10 or 11 and have fast internet download speeds. They are saying laptops are acceptable to use, but you must be able to run external monitors to them, and they will require you to have a web camera so that you can attend team meetings. And last but not least, Bistroux UX is a restaurant online ordering system that provides restaurant ordering solutions to companies, and they are hiring a data entry work from home remote clerk. It says they're looking for someone who's hardworking data entry clerk to join their team. You'll be responsible for entering specific data into their databases, and the ideal candidate will be computer savvy, a fast typist, and have an eye for detail. So you'll be responsible for managing data and keeping it organized. Some other responsibilities include inputting new information into database systems, creating and managing spreadsheets, control the data probability and perform comparative analysis, regular updating of the existing database system records. You'll have to also produce reports, retrieve data when necessary, and perform regular backups so that no data is lost. So you will document, organize, and store relevant documents. So some of the requirements for this position, other than being a fast typer, is also excellent knowledge of word processing tools, Microsoft Office, Word, and Excel, great attention to detail, the sense of ownership and pride in your performance. They want someone who is excited to work for the company, someone who is a critical thinker, a team player, and has good time management skills. Now, why this position did not offer any pay requirements in their posting, Indeed has estimated that this data entry clerk position pays anywhere from $29,000 a year up to $37,000 a year. So once you apply and get an interview, I assume salaries will be discussed at that time. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, leave any requests that you have in the comments down below. I am always trying to search for job leads that will actually be helpful to you. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.